This wick is really handy for indoor uses as well. You can use it to light all of your candles around your home, or your barbecues, your furnaces, your stoves. I personally like to use it to light my candles, stoves, and barbecues. Sometimes my indoor fireplaces when I'm living at a place that does. But we're gonna light these briads up real quick here. And just like that, they're lit almost instantly. And this is really useful because instead of having to go around and relight your lighter 6 or 7 times, or stick your hand down in those deep long candles or grills, you can just use the wick and drop it down. Catch on fire. We're doing this outside. Now we're going to go around and light all of our candles. Alright, well, we got that one lit outside. The smaller ones a little more difficult. You can see how much the wind is burning. But I am determined. And for one brief moment, we did have all the candles lit there.
My truck back from your brother? I have a Dodge. What?
There's one more brief moment of all the candles successfully being lit outdoors in the wind. And here's one last glance at the Colorado. And here's our fire. Our teepee still burning strong.